Introduce highlight features or overview summary for YULONGDT 1440P, body camera, 128 gigabit police body cam wearable, personal body cameras with audio and video recording. Infrared night vision, 3300 mAh battery. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: multifunctional police body camera. This body camera with audio recording wearable has a rugged and lightweight design, has updated CMOS sensors, records 58 megapixels high-definition pictures, and clear footage of 4K/30 fps video in daily life. It also features IR infrared night vision, motion detection, loop recording, pre-recording, post-recording, snapshots, mark video, flashing light, IP67 waterproof and security password functions. Caters to all your needs for law enforcement, civilians, cycling, delivery etc. Resemble Axon body camera. FHD 1440P and 58 megapixels Wearable body camera. The body cameras with audio and video recording provides videos and pictures up to Ultra HD 1440p resolutions and 58 megapixel with an upgraded camera sensor, with 140 degrees field of view, providing secure, clearer, and more detailed images for improved evidence collection. There is no blur or texture. The 2.0-inch display shows details. Superior night vision. The police body camera with an f2.0 aperture sensor and 6 adaptive infrared lights. Smart IR adjusts infrared intensity to changing light conditions without sacrificing clarity for clear night vision, capturing detailed objects or people within 50 feet even in low light conditions. The imaging and audio capabilities result in better video evidence, pure and simple. 3300 mAh battery and 128 gigabit storage. The personal body camera built-in large 3300 mAh battery with low power consumption. The body camera supports 12 hours non-stop recording, 1080p, IR off, and less than 3 hours rapid recharge time-saving features. Store more with 128 gigabit solid-state hard drive. Never worry about the storage. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is loop recording and motion detection. When the micro SD card is full, the loop recording automatically overwrites the earliest files. Marked videos will not be overwritten. Optional intelligent motion detection. When the object moving, the body cam will be automatically start to record and lock the video. Additionally, if you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.